Hello friends. First of all, you will have to come to the home page. From here you can click on login. You must be logged into your Facebook account and then click here. Continue. Okay, so your account is created on the website and you can log into the dashboard. As you can see, here is a short intro. On the left menu, you will see publish all, dashboard, RSS feed, and these are the accounts that you have added. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit, PK, Google My Business, YouTube. This is the second section, which is admin section. Here you can see scheduled post, and from here you can add all the social media accounts you want in the app. It's the file manager. You can upload files and use them as you like. This is a group manager in which you can group several accounts to post easily. This is caption section. You can save captions and which you can use again and again. This is watermark section. You can set up a separate watermark for each page or each account of social media. So first of all, you will come here on account manager. From here you can click any of these buttons to add any of your social account. First of all, I will add Facebook profile. Who can see the post that I will be sharing with the app? It is better to select as public. Okay. Now click here. Your profile is added successfully. Now we will see if we have any Facebook page in this account. Okay. Okay, there is one page. We will add it. Success. So you see, you don't have to provide any password or email account. The software works on API, which is linked to Facebook, and everything, each and every account here you can log in with the API. Okay, now I'll add some groups. Let's see if we have any groups in this account. This is a new account, so we don't have any groups here. So from here we'll go to add account. We will try to add a Twitter account. Authorization is being asked. Okay. Add profile. Success. Now we will try to add LinkedIn profile. It's asking me to sign in. profile. The profile is added. Now I will try to add a YouTube channel. This is a bit tricky. So I'll go here. Mhm. These are the channels that I can add. This is account. These are two of the channels. So I'll add this one. Now I will click on advanced. Go to expert fan page. Now allow. You see the account is imported successfully. Profile is added successfully. Let's add Reddit profile. It's asking permission. We granted the permission and add profile. So see, it's very easy and it's very quick and fast to add account. You just have to be logged into the account before trying to add into this app. So you can grant the permission and the account will be added. Let's add Tumblr blog. Allow. And it's also a success. Similarly, you can do the rest of the things. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's very easy and it's not a difficult thing. Adding accounts, you can add as many accounts as you like as per your package, and see you in the next video. Take care.